Warm welcome, dear listeners. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Neuro-Linguistic Programming, popularly known as NLP. This discipline, rooted in psychology, experience, and behavioral patterns, is an incredible toolbox for trainers, coaches, and really anyone wishing to learn more effectively. Like a three-legged stool with linguistic patterns, strategies, and meta-programs as the sturdy legs that hold the NLP system. With their help, our goal is not only to modify behavior, but also to create automatic thinking strategies that drive desired outcomes. Think of it as delivering a software update to your brain, a game-changing one, I must add. Further dissecting NLP beyond the surface technicalities, there are 6 primary pillars: rapport, sensory acuity, visualization, values, goals, and language structure that make NLP what it is. Have you ever noticed a child convincing his father to buy him a toy just with heartfelt tugs and time pouts? Or perhaps observed someone's animated gestures as they chatter away happily? That's the NLP meaning in progress. Through meticulous observation and empathy, NLL encourages not just a better understanding of others, but also a profound comprehension of your own behaviors and thought processes, a skill, dare I say, quite priceless in today's world. Now, let's put NLP lenses on and start viewing the world a bit differently, shall we?